Hello again, viewer. You may pay a great deal of attention to your teeth while neglecting your gums. Your gums are full of blood vessels, so ignoring them can lead to quite a mess in your mouth. Bleeding gums can indicate the beginning stages of infections like gingivitis. It can also serve as a signal that more serious problems are present. An estimated 47.2%, or 64.7 million American adults have a mild, moderate, or severe form of gum disease. Thankfully, bleeding gums can be reversed fairly quickly if proper care is taken. And in today's video, we'll give you tips on how you can treat bleeding gums using various techniques like ice pack, saltwater rinse, honey, and more. Number 1. Warm milk. Milk contains all kinds of vitamins that are essential to good oral health, including calcium and vitamin K. You can soothe your gums and help to restore their strength using just a glass of milk. Whenever you start to notice the bleeding appear, heat up a glass of milk and sip it. Swish it around your mouth before swallowing to ensure it coats all infected areas. Don't overheat the milk. Keep it at lukewarm temperature for best results. Number 2. Maintain perfect oral hygiene. You should never look past oral hygiene. Your gums easily become inflamed if there's a buildup of plaque around the gum line. Plaque contains various bacteria that covers your gums and teeth. If you don't regularly brush or floss to remove plaque, your gums may start to bleed, leading to serious gum disease. To maintain good oral hygiene, make sure you brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss at least once a day for better results. Also, try to replace your toothbrush every 3 months. Number 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has been found to significantly decrease plaque-induced gingivitis and bleeding gums. It has anti-inflammatory properties which can reduce swelling in the mouth and kill a number of bacteria in your saliva. A buildup of bacteria can lead to gum diseases. The best way to use coconut oil for bleeding gums is to use a technique called oil pulling. This involves swishing oil around your mouth in the very same way you use mouthwash, but for a longer period. Put a tablespoon of oil in your mouth and swish it around for 15 to 20 minutes in order to reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth and on the teeth. Number 4. Honey. Honey is rich in anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help control bleeding and swollen gums. It can restrict the development of plaque by destroying harmful bacteria and can play a key role in the healing process of unhealthy gums. It's very easy to use. Just take a tablespoon of honey and apply it to your gums at the affected areas. Massage it gently afterwards. Do this twice every day for optimum results. Make sure to use pure raw honey without any additives or flavors. Number 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea can considerably improve the health of your gums and protect them from early signs of periodontitis and gingivitis. Chamomile tea has astringent, antiseptic, and antifungal abilities that can block the inflammatory responses of plaque-formed bacteria and curtail the bleeding of your gums. Add hot water to a cup of chamomile tea bag. Mix in a tablespoon of lemon juice. Swish this chamomile rinse around your mouth for a few seconds. Do this twice a day for best results. Number 6. Ice pack. Hold a small ice pack or an ice cube against your bleeding gums for 10 minutes. Ice packs are very effective in reducing mouth bleeding and swelling caused by minor mouth injuries or gingivitis. If you can't control the bleeding, consider visiting a doctor. Number 7. Apply herbal paste. Certain herbs and spices, like cloves and spilanthes, can be a powerful home remedy for gum inflammation and bleeding. Clove powder and spilanthes are both analgesics and pain-relieving herbs. They've been used as an alternative to traditional oral pain relievers for a long time. An anti-inflammatory powdered herb like turmeric may also help. Mix the powdered herb of choice with a little warm water until you have a paste consistency. Apply directly to your gums until the bleeding stops and the pain subsides. Rinse your mouth with water. Apply as often as needed. Number 8. Salt water rinse. Salt water has been a common cure for many ailments. The salt can dry up bacteria and wounds and promote faster healing times. The same is true for patients that have bleeding gums. A simple saltwater rinse can help you stop the bleeding and cause the gums to heal quicker. Combine your saltwater rinse with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Prepare a mixture of half salt and half baking soda in a small dish. Dip your toothbrush in the hydrogen peroxide, followed by the salt and the baking soda mixture. Then, use this to brush your teeth and gums, being certain to massage into the bleeding areas. Follow it by a rinsing with salt water. Take caution with this method if you have high blood pressure. Number 9. Use aloe vera. Aloe vera owes its popularity to various medical benefits. One such benefit is the reduction of gum inflammation, making bleeding less likely. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The plant is so rich in antioxidants. For this reason, it's very effective in treating and relieving inflammation related to gum disease. Take a small amount of fresh aloe vera pulp and massage it on your gums. Let the pulp settle on your gums before rinsing your mouth. Mild gum disease can also be taken care of by drinking liquids that have natural aloe vera in it. Number 10. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, which can treat infections that cause bleeding gums. It's also anti-inflammatory and can be used to reduce inflammation and swelling. Mix 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil with a teaspoon of coconut oil. Massage this mixture gently into your gums. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Do this twice daily for maximum effect. Number 11. Lemon juice. Lemons can be great for treating bleeding gums due to their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. While the antibacterial nature of lemons can combat bacterial infections, their anti-inflammatory properties can be helpful in healing the swelling and bleeding. Take 1 lemon and squeeze its juice. Mix the lemon juice with a cup of water. Use this solution to rinse your mouth after every meal. Do this daily until swelling and bleeding subsides. Number 12. Turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, which has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. This can stop your gums from bleeding. In addition, it prevents the spread of bacterial activity that causes several oral problems. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it with a little warm water to form a paste. Apply this paste to your gums with a clean finger. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Then massage gently and rinse your mouth with warm water. Repeat until swelling is healed and the bleeding has stopped. Number 13. Use gauze. As with bleeding anywhere else on the body, holding a clean, damp gauze against an affected area can work wonders. If you have a weakened immune system or another medical condition, your gums may take a longer time to stop bleeding. Go to a doctor if it doesn't stop. Number 14. Cranberry juice. This can be a good remedy for gum problems, as it's thought to have the ability to stop Streptococcus mutans bacteria from binding with the teeth. This stops plaque from multiplying and gums from bleeding. It also contains phenolic acids and anthocyanins, which are known to have antimicrobial properties that help keep your teeth and gums from harmful bacteria. Drink a cup of unsweetened cranberry juice every day for best results. Number 15. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural antimicrobial agent that can combat infections that cause bleeding gums. Acetic acid is a major component of apple cider vinegar, and it exhibits anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve inflammation and swelling in your gums. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water. Use this solution at least once daily to rinse your mouth for best results. Number 16. Baking soda. Baking soda has antibacterial properties that can kill the bacteria that causes your gums to bleed. It can also balance the pH in your mouth and help remove plaque and stains. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add it to a cup of warm water. Use this water to rinse your mouth every now and then. Alternatively, you can rub baking soda directly onto your gums. Do this 2 to 3 times a day, preferably after meals. So the next time you have bleeding gums, do give these methods a try and let us know in the comment section below how they worked out for you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.